Hello guys, welcome to another Battle Cats video. And you know the drill. We're gonna be playing until we have no more energy. But for now, we might need I'll do some levels in the first tier. And when I first die, I'm gonna switch back to event levels. As you can see, I'm really struggling. So yeah. Wait, not Shadow Kingdom. Dusty Desert. Huh. How's a kingdom better than... How's a kingdom worse than a desert? Okay. So yeah. So guys, please like and subscribe, put notification bells on if you haven't already, and if you want more awesome content like this. Also, guys, if you want a game I can choose, I put some choice in my community. Check out my community. It has a lot. It has some games you can choose that I'll maybe play in my next video. I'm just waiting for anyone to answer it. And the first one to get 10, or if it takes a while, it'll be only 5, but if it's quickly, it'll be 10. So 5 or 10 votes, and I'll play that game. Yeah. So let's get in the Maldives. So yeah, let's get to the Maldives. So I missed it. I meant to do the very much shortcut. I'm surprised it takes a while for it to knock back a doge and kill it. I'm surprised it actually takes quite long. Oh yeah, guys, if you have any more tips or builds I can do against Bun, I'll gladly accept it. And if there's a build you can make for me against Bun, that'll be so helpful. So yeah. So right now fighting a pig should be easy. Of what I think of. Okay. So the doges and snakes, they still can get one shot by my cat cannon, but I'm not sure about those guys. Literally the only thing I can do is spam Macho Cat, Samba Cat, Wall Cat, and Artist Cat all at once, so it's cheap enough to build up and do damage. Well, if I save up for a good one, well, it's gonna get closer to my base and probably kill my good unit and die. And I'll die. So yeah. So let's go into India, my friend. I'm Indian. So, okay. So yeah, let me just get my own my old Macho Cat, Samba Cat, Wall Cat, and Artist Cat combo. It's the combo as it goes on. So yeah. Right now, the only good rare I have is Valkyrie cat and artist cat in my opinion. Oh, right now there's a big chunky watermelon looking thing. So yeah. Let's go. I beat the Indian scammer. So now I'm in Nepal. Nepal. I don't know which one. Nepal actually. As Nepal, it was really easy to be in the all other chapters, but I'm pretty sure it might be a bit hard here. Seeing how all the other levels are, even the pig, it had me some trouble. So my videos are gonna be really long if I save up for Furlan Pasalan or Valkyrie Cat. So yeah. And guys, thank you all for supporting me, and thank you all for the 100 subscribers. I know I didn't say this in my other video when I got it, but thank you all for 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me. And I think I'm gonna die because there's 2 pigs. 2! And I can't even handle the first one. I barely. And now I have to beat 2. Amazing. Yeah, just amazing. Amazing, guys. Amazing. 2 pigs. So I'm just gonna put out some anti-red units like Valkyrie Cat and Captain Cat. So there's Valkyrie Cat and Captain Cat right there. Also guys, I'm planning to switch out Macho Cat with Brainwash Cat. The draft cat is stronger than the other one, so I'm pretty sure this one's gonna be a better meat shield. Right? I'm gonna do it, but put in the comments if it's worth it or not. Guys, please give me some tips. Again, please like and subscribe, put notification bells on if you want more awesome content like this, and enjoy watching the video. Also guys, if you want me to start making 2 videos, I will make them, but only sometimes because other times I'm quite busy. So yeah. I'm gonna try and save up. Okay, I don't think I can beat this one. 2 pigs, I didn't even damage one of them. No, I just need Captain Cat so it can push back the pigs because it has knockback. That's all I need to do. I just need to make it knock back. Oh, yeah. Okay, get knocked back. And knock back. Knock back. Yes, I killed the pig. That is great news. I killed the pig. So I got the never mind. So yeah. So yeah, I just mostly need Captain Cat to push back the hard enemies. So yeah. Also guys, if you want me to play any other games, please put them in the comments or check out my community if you don't have any ideas. Also guys, if you want me to play other games in the VR, just put them in the comments and I'll check and I'll tell you the games. I have it in another community session. So yeah. So here's Brainwash Cat. Okay, to level 5 and I'm gonna put him in the loadout. Oh, he's 20 bucks more expensive. Yeah, he's 20 bucks more expensive. Yeah. Also guys, let me tell you my dream cat to get. I really want Nerve Cat. It stays in the back and just shoots out a laser beam from behind. Super awesome, super cool, very late game, and it's very nice too. Very nice design. It's a nice unit. I really want to get it. So I'm just gonna spam this Brainwash Cat and see if I can try and beat Dubai. I think Dubai is a great country actually. Has the tallest building in the world, museum of the future, and it's so safe. This guy literally left his car keys in the open with his house keys, sitting the exact address and position of the car, and still no one got it. I think it's fake, but I'm not sure. We can't make sure of it. I'm not gonna do it myself. Maybe, but no. So there's Valpika. Okay. I just need my cat cannon so I can kill all these foul beasts. Yeah, cat cannon. Yes, cat cannon. Cat cannon is really coming good. Also guys, if you want me to remove a cat from my loadout and change it with a better one, please put them in the comments so I can use them in my next video. Thank you. So yeah. I don't know why Brainwash Cat's so fast. But I saw this YouTube short the other day. Bro, Brainwash Eraser Cat max level when facing left it has 1000 plus HP. But when facing the other side it has like 1 million plus, I think. I think what it said, that what it says. So yeah. Right now I'm struggling against 2 penguins. That should be easy actually. But as I am chapter 3 and they're buffed, I am not so sure if I can beat this. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm getting absolutely destroyed. Monk. Yeah. Yeah, I'm losing to this double penguin thing. Guys, if this is like a game in Battlecats or a different game that just you play as the enemy and you have to fight the cats, please tell me the name. That would be awesome to play actually. So I only got them knocked back. I never killed one. And yeah. I'm getting absolutely destroyed. I'm gonna try and save it for an artist cat. Yes, I got artist. Thing is, my base is dead. So yeah, guys, I'm not sure if you like this or not, but I am going to the legend stage. So in the legend stage, it's other stuff. So I'm gonna try into the special energy ball, but I do not have enough. What is crazy cat? What is that? Someone told me it's got crazy fish before, but what? Who's? Oh, okay. Sweet XP easy. Okay, I'm gonna use one of these flags. Oh, 303. Don't mind if I do. So I actually did this when I was when I first in one of my stuff. It was really hard because I did not have any good units back then. Now I have brainwash cat, samba cat, wall cat, artist cat, captain cat, Valkyrie cat, swimmer cat, brainwash giraffe cat, Fredland Pasalan, and Valkyrie cat. So yeah, so it should be a lot easier. As I can see, it's only expensive in like chapter 2. So I'm guessing in most event stages they're only ejected as chapter 2, as chapter 3 is too strong. So I'm pretty sure just spamming brainwash giraffe cat, I can beat this thing. It had me so much trouble. I had to physically use cat food to beat this stage, and it did not even give me good XP. So yeah, it was a scam. Sweet XP, more like no XP. So yeah, I can earn 2 times XP. Actually, seems quite nice. So I'm gonna try the special 100 kg ball. The connected piles are red. The runaway ball is a white, is a regular. Now let's see what. And what is this one? Is it a black or metal? I'm gonna check that off camera actually. I can't tell if it's a metal or a black enemy. It's kinda look-alike stuff. And I do not like look-alike stuff. So yeah. So guys, please like and subscribe, put notification bells on if you want more of content like this. Yes. Yeah. So I think it's gonna be, I'm just gonna save up for Valkyrie cat. I'm pretty sure I can't get Fredland Pasalan, but I'm just gonna save up for Valkyrie cat because why not? So yeah, that thing is just slowly chipping up. Wait. Yeah. Okay, there's Valkyrie cat. Pretty sure as soon as I hit it, it's gonna be the boom. Knew it. So there's all the balls. So all I need to do is spamming units so it doesn't hit the Valkyrie cat. So this thing has more than 1000 HP. I have no idea how much damage it does, but yeah. But I'm pretty sure Valkyrie got like 10k HP. It got 2 shot. I think this thing does like 5000 damage. Let's check with the cat base HP if it doesn't at 10,000 actually. So yeah. Let's check what the damage it does to my base if it does 500 or something. Okay, 1000. It does 5000 damage. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm gonna try and do one level. I'm gonna switch out swimming cap for now. It's not really helping, like for now, but it will really help in the. And it might really help on the bun, but for now, it's not. Aim for the top. It's time thing. How much are Heavenly Tower? I don't know what to... Guys, can you tell me what the stars are for? Like, I'm so confused. I don't know what that's for. What are they for? What are they for? Tell me, guys. So, I'm at floor 1 in Heavenly Tower. Let's see what's in floor 1. Fourth is gonna be easy or something. So right now it's just a couple of doges. Should be quite easy. Right now I am battling a hippo. The hippo's dead. So after this, guys, I'm gonna end the video. So guys, please like and subscribe, put notification bells on if you want more awesome content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.